Welcome back to Ismail Musa TV! Okay guys, so today we're going to swap our TCore into other coins. There's a website now known as this website, of course. Okay? HTTP Shadow Swap XYZ. Now in this is a new, I think this is a new decentralized platform where, okay, let's study about this anyway. Okay, you copy this and paste this into your uh it's not in your browser address. Okay, so you're here. So this is shadow swap. This is number one dex on core chain from the shadows. Okay, so shadow swap is one-stop decentralized trading protocol which utilizes the security, scalability, and decentralization of the core blockchain, creating an open and safe marketplace, for traders. Okay, liquidity providers and developers. Okay, so what we have in this platform, by the way, this platform is built on core solid foundation supported by core DAO. So SwediSwap is here to help you cast your shadow onto your finance and ease you in the DeFi burst. Okay, so it's trading, no, trade anything with fast secure network. And of course, the network is core chain. No? So trade any token on core chain in seconds, just by connecting your wallet. All right. So this platform introducing a decentralized NFT marketplace on core network, but that will be coming soon, of course. No. Then you can earn passive income with your crypto. Then if you want to learn about this, you can just explore. Okay. But what we are now is we're going to what buy, no, I'm going to buy some amount of shadow. Okay, so all I have to do is click buy. Okay, now I'm going to connect. No, it's already connected. You have to check your connection. You must be connected, no, to core chain test network. So all you have to do is uh select, no, you select. Okay. Okay, so from TCore into shadow. Okay, so what will be your input is shadow, and our output will, I mean, our input rather is TCore, then the output is the shadow coin. Okay, so you type how much you're going to swap. Let's say point 0.1. Okay, point now as of the moment is 38.7317. Okay, so then you can click swap. uh the gas fee will be 0.0025. Okay, then when you click swap, you will be asked to confirm. Of course, if you confirm, then you have to click confirm. After that, your MetaMask will also ask you to confirm. Then of course you have to confirm. Okay, after doing so, but in this case I've already done it. But for purpose of this demo, I will confirm for you. Okay, I have still much TCore. So we click confirm. Okay, click confirm. All right. So waiting for confirmation. Swapping point 0.1 TCore to, okay. But as I said earlier, no, you have to confirm in your MetaMask. Click confirm. Okay. So here is the word confirm. Click it, confirm. All right. So the transaction is to be submitted. By the way, if this is your first time to swap, oh, by the way, transaction receipt, you have to add shadow to MetaMask. If it is your first time, if not, you can just close it. Okay. So you add shadow. Mm. So of course, your MetaMask will be asking if you are to add the token. Add. I I was already paid for the swap. Okay? So we have there. So it's successful. The swapping was successful there. No? So there was deduction of 0.1. Uh, so I can check my assets. Okay, so there I have my shadow coins. Right? Rock and roll to the world! Ah, so please explore more in this platform so that you will be guided accordingly when the actual mainnet will happen. As of now, this is testnet. There's no real value here, but better practice now. Start now, and please help me by subscribing in this channel. Okay, that's all. Um, Part 2 of this video is the actual uh what's this swapping in the Android phone. Okay, so please watch, subscribe. Thank you.